Good evening, everybody. Uh, I'm Samir, and today we are going to be unboxing this Giro helmet, which my dear friend Mr. Kale has sent it to me. Thank you, Kale Sahib. This came by courier, and I just had it delivered to my parents' place because I was working. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing. Oops, sorry. You may have seen this earlier. This is the tool which I carried with myself, Swiss Army knife. Then an unboxing of another small metal BRM I did of 200 kilometers. So today we're going to be using this Leatherman. Basically, it's a multi-tool. It's very interesting thing. I use it for everything. But today, just going to be using the larger blade. We'll cut it open, and we will get to see what is inside. Very well packed. Oops. And thank Mr. Kale, for having done a wonderful job of packing. Be careful, this will slice through my fingers like a knife through butter. Well, thank you, Mr. Kale. That's one good packing. And behold, that's Giro for us all. With this packing. It's been with me for a while. It's been about a week, 10 days since it has come, but I have kind of been busy with other activities at home. Fine. So that's your Giro helmet. We'll put this thing at the side, and let's see. Good. So you have adult universal fit, Giro adult universal fit, 54 to 61, cycling helmet. You read that in French, Latin, or whatever that language is. Pardon me. Due respect. Very well packed. Thank you, Giro. You got something written on this. What does it say? Read the owner's manual and follow all warnings and instructions before using the helmet. For best protection, the helmet must be fitted and attached properly to the wearer's head. While a Giro helmet provides significant protection, it cannot provide a total protection from all foreseeable impacts. Blah 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 blah. Designed in California. Wow, made in China. Giro. Yep. And how do we get rid of this? Righto. What else? How do you remove it, man? Wow. Can't wait to see the Giro guys giving me a thumbs up for Trying to see how you open this. Well, if the packing is so good, then what's going to be the protection by Giro? Do you guys actually pack your things like this, or did Mr. Kale put the extra ones? Probably the thermocol was missing. But nevertheless, well, I can see it. Gray in color. That being said, we need to remove this. Yep. Yes, I get it now. Clipped on here. That comes neatly packed. I opened it this way. I don't know if there's any better way to open it. Here it is. Behold, Sameer Baviskar's new Giro helmet. Well. We get this out. Wow, that's pretty neat. And you have in grey color. What else do we have? That's some packing chair in that. Giro. Nice color. Matte grey. The Giro logo over here, if you can see that. Nice peak to protect the sun, keep you away from the sun. Well, Giro 399. Well, a locking mechanism. I think you can loosen it and tighten it from here. That's pretty good. Good padding. I think they should be supplying with additional packing material. Keep it down slowly. It's a good lock. Cool, man. Locking mechanism. Nice. So you have nice padding over here. I think this is removable. Oh yeah, it's got the Velcro over here. And I don't want to mess around with it because I don't want to mess with the original fitting of the company. So you have nice vents over here. Nice large vents. I have road bike, so I'm sure you guys are keeping track of my videos. Nice subtle branding. Giro. And what is this? Is this the model of the helmet, or you have to register the helmet, or what? Overall, I think it's a pretty neat helmet. I will definitely make a review of this. This is, oh yeah, this can be removed. Easy peasy. Alright, so you got to put it in here and put it in this side as a locking mechanism. Pretty nice, pretty sleek. I think it's pretty sleek as a helmet. Not very big, not very small. This peak also sometimes I find it a bit too protruding, which gets into the vision while you're riding. This locking mechanism is from Giro itself. What's the weight? Inclusive of all taxes. What's the weight? What's the weight of this? Is it mentioned somewhere? Oh, wait. किधर है? No, it says. All it says. Is in mold construction, universal fit sizing, rock lock spot fit system, probably some registered trademark, quick link, helmet, weight, I don't know, and it says what? Manufactured by Giro Sport Design, month of import, etc. etc. Where is the. Yes, there seems to be. Yes, there is almost manual in that. Oh yeah, well packed right inside. See this? See this here? It was locked in there. You opened it and you pull this thing inside. Okay, bicycle helmets, Giro, and you guys, bikers, pretty much obsessed with weight of the equipment which we use. Giro